Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the critical process died blue screen error on Windows 11. The first thing we need to do is start Windows in safe mode. Turn on your computer, and as soon as you see the Windows logo, hold the power button to force the computer to shut down. Repeat this process 3 times. On the 4th startup, Windows should automatically open the automatic repair screen. Select Advanced Options, then go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, and click Restart. After your PC restarts, press the 4 key or F4 on your keyboard to boot into safe mode. Once you are in safe mode, open the Search and Open Command prompt as administrator. First, repair the Windows image by typing the following command and pressing Enter. DISM/online/cleanup image/restore health. Wait for the scan to complete. This process may take several minutes. After that, type the following command and press Enter. SFC/scanO. This scan checks Windows system files and automatically repairs any corrupted files it finds. When both scans are finished, restart your computer and check if the blue screen error is gone. If the problem started after a recent Windows update, launch into safe mode again and open Settings. Select Windows Update, then Update History. Scroll down and click Uninstall Updates. Find the most recent quality update, click Uninstall next to it, and restart your computer. If none of these methods solves the issue, you might have to reset Windows from the Troubleshoot menu while keeping your personal files. Thanks for watching.